London, AP. On Tuesday, Prince Harry filed a challenge against the British government for removing him from his security detail. This came about after he moved to the United States and renounced his position as a working member of the royal family. The Duke of Sussex stated that one reason he wants protection when he travels home is because he feels his family's safety is threatened by an aggressive press. As Harry battles the British tabloid media and the UK government, a series of his legal cases have kept London judges busy. The 3-day hearing is set to start in London's High Court. It was unclear if he would show up for the hearing on Tuesday. Earlier this year, Harry was unable to convince another judge that he ought to have the option of paying for London's police force to protect him while he is in the city. After a government attorney claimed that police shouldn't be used as private bodyguards for the wealthy, the judge rejected that offer. The youngest son of King Charles II, Harry, expressed concerns about his personal safety after being pursued by paparazzi after a charity event in London, and said he did not feel safe returning to Britain with his wife, former actress Meghan Markle, and their 2 small children. Harry's resentment of the media stems from the passing of his mother, Princess Diana, in a car accident in Paris when her driver was attempting to elude pursuing photographers. Harry, whose wife is mixed race, left the UK due to what he claimed to be intolerable racist attitudes and intrusions from the British media. After relocating to Canada and then California in 2020 with his family, the 39-year-old prince is contesting the Executive Committee for the Protection of Royalty and public figures' decision to provide his security on a case-by-case basis. He claimed the committee had unjustly rejected his security request without consulting him directly and had withheld information about the panel's composition, which he later discovered included members of the royal family. He claimed that because of significant tensions between the 2 men, Edward Young, the late Queen Elizabeth II's assistant private secretary, shouldn't have been on the committee. The Home Office has maintained that since Harry had given up his position as a working member of the family, any conflicts between him and the royal household employees were unimportant, and the committee had the right to make its decision. Harry has 5 cases pending in the High Court at the moment. The 4 other lawsuits concern some of the most well-known tabloids in Britain. One of them claims the Daily Mail's publisher defamed him by publishing an article implying he had attempted to conceal his attempts to keep receiving government-funded security. On Friday, a decision in that case is anticipated. In 3 more lawsuits, it is alleged that reporters for the Mail, the Daily Mirror, and the Sun employed illegal tactics to gather information about him, including phone hacking, deceit, and hiring private investigators.